Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make stock investment easy method. Open a brokerage account, set up automated monthly contributions, and pick diversified funds or a few quality stocks to begin. Focus on low fees and long-term goals, rebalance annually, and avoid chasing short-term hype. Keep emotions in check, use dollar cost averaging, and track progress with a simple spreadsheet or app for steady growth. Start by choosing broad index funds or ETFs for instant diversification and low expense ratios, then consider one or two individual stocks you understand. Look for consistent revenue growth, healthy profit margins, and manageable debt levels. Use P/E and other valuation metrics as context, not gospel, and avoid overconcentration in one sector. Keep a simple watch list and only add positions when they fit your risk plan and time horizon. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support future videos. Quick recommendation: Socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. It's a small comfort after watching your portfolio grow. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider a quick snack while you're here. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Protect your progress by keeping a safety net of cash, ideally 3 months or more of expenses, before heavy investing. Choose an allocation that matches your risk tolerance and adjust gradually as goals change. Rebalance at least once a year to maintain target percentages and reduce drift. Use stop-loss orders only if they match your strategy, and remember that compounding favors consistency over timing the market for most investors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.